Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama. So everywhere we hear, we sing, we read, we pray, the Bhakta takes Ashraya, Krishna Ashraya, Guru Pada Ashraya, Sharanagati. He surrenders and dedicates his life at the feet of Krishna. He puts his head, the Bhakta puts his head on the feet of Guru. Guru Pada Ashraya, he takes Guru Pad, he puts his head on the feet of Guru, takes shelter. Ado Guru Pada Ashraya. Diksha Adi Shikshanam. Then he takes Diksha and receives Shiksha. So everywhere, everyone's taking shelter and surrendering to Krishna. But in Gita Govinda, Krishna is taking shelter and surrendering to the Bhakta, the Param Bhakta, Parama Radha Devi Shri Radharani. Parama Radha Devi, Srimati Radharani. Krishna's surrendering at her feet, falling at her feet, and begging for the Charna Raj, the duli, the prem duli from Radharani's Charan, her Padma Charan. Oh Radharani, oh Radhaju, oh Radhaju. Dehi parapalavam adaram atapam. He says, Smara, Krishna is praying to Radharani, Smara Garala Kandanam. We just talked about the Kandit lover, Kandit Nayaka, stood up an angry, unhappy lover. Smara Garala Kandanam. Mama Shirasi Mandanam. Mama Shirasi Mandanam. Dehi Padapalavam Udaram Atapam. Oh Radharaniju, oh Shamaju, I am burning in a fire of lusty desires. Smara means erotic, lusty desires for your intimate association, touch, contact, sight, smell, fragrance, just to be with me. Smara Garala Kandanam. Please break this burning fire. Put out this fire in my mind and heart. Smara Garala Kandanam. How can I do that? Radharani says. Mama Shirasi Mandanam. Krishna is speaking in equivocal language, in Parokshavad, indirect implied meaning. Radharani is Prem Vibram. She's bewildered. What is Sham saying? What is Krishna saying? He's saying he's burning in lust. And then he's saying he wants a mandanam. He wants his head to be ornamented with he wants Mama Shirasi Mandanam. He wants his head, he wants an ornament on his head. What is he saying? Oh Saki, oh Lalita, oh Vishaka, oh Tulsi Manjari. What is he saying? Smara Garala Kandanam. Mama Shirasi Mandanam. I don't know. It's very equivocal. Some confusing. Maybe Parokshavad. Let's listen more. Then Krishna looks. Dehi. And he's not going to Durga. He's not going to Shiva. Dhanam Dehi. Janam Dehi. He's saying Dehi Parapalavam. Mudara Mutapam. Oh Devi Dehi. Oh Devi Dehi. And Vilap Kusamanjali, Das Goswami Pad, his favorite word for Radharani is Devi. And generally, we hear the word Devi, we think Lakshmi Devi, Sri Devi, and the South India or somewhere there's Sri Devi, some famous star, movie star. Sri Devi is Balaji's consort or something, wife. Yeah, Balaji. Yeah, Bhudevi, Sri Devi. So these are the divine consorts of Venkateshwara Balaji, Sri Vishnuji, or Krishna, Govind. So Sri Devi, so everywhere Devi. But so Rasik Jan, Param Rasik, Das Goswami Pad, and Vilap Kusamanjali Stavavali, both Param Shastra. Why is he saying Radharani, oh Devi? Tavevasmi, na jivami tvayavina, na jivami tvayavina, iti vigaya Devi Tvam Nayamam Charnatikam. This is his prayer towards the end. Vilap Kusamanja, this 104 verses, this is like 96 or 102. Taveva Smi, Na Jivami Twaya Vina. Without your mercy, I can't live. So, hey Devi. So why saying Devi? Everywhere, so many verses he's saying, oh Devi. Because Devi means divyati. Divyati. Divyati means playful, radiant, effulgent, radiant with Shringarati, radiant with Smararati, and playful. Kelana. So Krishna is saying, he's saying Devi para Palavam. So this is Radharani's prabhav. So this is coming in Gita Govind. He's showing this idea that Radharani, that Krishna is worshipping Radharani. And then when Krishna is speaking through Jayadev Goswami, Krishna himself wrote this line. Bhagavan Sri Krishna Sakshat Likana. He wrote this line in the Gita Govind. Jayadev Goswami crossed it out. No, this is, I can't say this, I can't say Bhagavan, the Param Purush, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He becomes the servant of the Bhakta. The Bhakta is taking sharanam of him and shelter of him, and now he's taking shelter of the Bhakta. Parama Radhadevi Srimati Radharani. No, I can't say this. This is heretical. I'll be hung. The king will shoot me. How can I say this? The people will annihilate me. So then he goes to take Ganga Snan, or some Snan, Tirtha Snan. Krishna comes, takes some prasad, bhog from Parvati's hand, goes, and Jayadev comes back, huh? So Bhagavan himself is speaking that. Then Bhagavan is saying, I want the feet of my devotee on my head. This is the only remedy, the only panacea, the only solution, the only thing that can stop the burning fire of my smara and lust to enjoy with Radharani is her very feet on my head. I want to ornament the bottom of your body, the bottom of your feet, I want to put on the crown of my head. Shir mandaram, shir alankaram, mandaram, ornament. Like my shiki picha, and the peacock, mormukut. Radharani's panacharan. Radharani panacharan made a mormukut. So then Krishna is telling this. And then Krishna comes in Radharani's bhav and Kanti, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then what does Krishna say then? Krishna says, Radhikara Prema Guru Ami Shishya Nahat. Radhikara Prema Guru Ami Shishya Nat. Nat means not. Not only do I want your feet on my head, but I want you to teach me everything about prema. Your Mahabhav. So Radharani is my prem guru. So guru's feet are always on disciples' head. Guru Padashraya.